Hello, everyone! Today we will learn about the sun. Let's start. Number 1. The sun is a big ball of fire. Number 2. It gives us light. Number 3. It rises in the east. Number 4. It sets in the west. Number 5. The sun gives us heat. Number 6. Plants grow with sunlight. Number 7. It looks red in the morning. Number 8. It looks orange in the evening. Number 9. Life is not possible without the sun. Sun is very important for us. Thanks for watching.